The number of students have not made it to university, but I want to encourage those who did not make it to university that we have good courses for them. Yes, there is hope for you people. They can start from the TVET, and then finally they will end up going up to degree programs. The universities should be left to over degrees alone, degrees and maybe the masters and the PhDs. So that these other mid-level colleges should continue offering the TVET courses, because for sure it's now a competition. Yes, for example, if we have the Kabarak, they have the TVET wing, we have the MKU also having the TVET wing. So in my opinion, I would wish all those mid-level colleges be left to over the TVET courses. Employment has become a problem in this country. So we are trying to produce people who are job creators, the entrepreneurs who can come up with, we give them the skills. In fact, what we are doing in these mid-level colleges, we give them the skills so that when they finish their courses, they can go out and open their own businesses. They don't rely on being employed again, because employment has become a problem in this country. The current government, yes, is encouraging the TVET institution, and they are also supporting the students. Yes, in these TTIs, they normally give them capitation. So you see, they are supporting them because they are seeing employment is becoming a problem at the moment.
I don't think it would be a good idea for the TVETs to be absorbed in polytechnics, because there are some students who will not have achieved the grades that are required by the polytechnics, like those people who can do the artisan courses, and others maybe the certificate. They might not be able to be absorbed. Where will those students go? So it should not be absorbed by the polytechnics. They should leave the institution. At least people can go and do whatever they want to do, to learn where they want to learn in the institutions whereby they will be absorbed, all of them.